Coffee is hitting today. Hello, welcome to this video. I am gonna film a couple days in my life. Today is Wednesday and I have a couple work things to get done. Obviously it's a work day and I'm gonna actually go to lunch with Brian, but let's get into the video. I'm so excited to be back making videos. I have a new tripod now, but my other one broke. Anyways, I'm gonna make some breakfast now and let's get into the day. Cheers. Alrighty guys, I am all ready for the day. Lately I've been doing like a little bit of makeup and actually putting an outfit on because it makes me feel more productive. This has been my favorite breakfast recently. It's so good. I don't know why this is like the first time I've ever tried everything but the bagel seasoning, but this hits. All right guys, so it is about noon. I'm gonna meet Brian for lunch today, and then I think I'm gonna work from a coffee shop after that. So I gotta pack up my work stuff and then get on out of here. But it looks like such a nice day. We're gonna actually eat outside. Me and Brian are together now.
Hello.
We're about to have lunch.
I don't know.
No, I won't.
Yeah, that's...
If it's awkward.
For most things, I would say the dry feta for the wet one.
There's a wet feta?
Mm-hmm. Wetter to finish up this inner. Hey guys, just walking around the park.
Alrighty, so I made it to the coffee shop and my lunch break is just about to end, so perfect timing. I'm about to become an absolute corporate weapon in this coffee shop, and my plan is to write a whole blog and try to do it in like under 2 hours. So that's the goal. I think we're gonna do it. It's also hot out, but I'm still dressing. All right, I'll see you guys inside. Alrighty, so I got a lot done at the coffee shop, but there's actually a flea market right across the way, so I'm gonna just pop in for a minute and look around because this place is really cool. Should I cop?
I think there's another universe where I haven't yet felt pain. And maybe in that other universe, I'm a flower and you're the rain. I think somewhere in a different life, I'm still 7 in 2nd grade. And I'm so happy that I feel alright, and that I haven't met my brain.
Alrighty guys, I am back at my desk. I changed into comfy clothes and I'm just gonna finish out the workday. I did end up buying that jacket that you guys might have seen. Alrighty, gonna finish up and then I don't know what we're gonna do for dinner tonight. It's like 4 o'clock now, so I'm gonna probably work until like 5:30 to make up for my flea market time. Yeah, I'm really tired actually. So let's get through the rest of the day and I'll catch up with you guys when we have dinner or just after work. You know, it's really hard being an adult sometimes, always getting the toughest battles. And by toughest battles, I mean responding to an email. But I'm done working now, and I'm having couch time for a moment. So if you could please just, you know, just give me a minute here. Just give me a minute. Sausages. Everybody saw it. Look at that.
Good.
Good.
Right, I do agree. What you need is to get the trainers or
Brian had free ice cream at his work today, so he brought home a sandwich for us to share. Oh, yo, this looks so good.
All the SDGs are a blueprint for a better world, equal, more peaceful. We're also in business.
Oh, yeah.
implement sustainability to our business. Concentrated 0% plastic bottle.
As well, that coffee exacerbates premium. Are currently moving into retail. We just right now you can save 20%.
Okay, so I haven't been doing much. I'm watching Vanderpump Rules. I love James. I actually don't love him. He's kind of the worst, but that's what makes him the best. Anyways, I'm making this list of clothes that I want. So that way, if I'm in the store and I see something, I won't just buy anything. By the way, that black leather jacket is actually on this list. Or it has been mentally on this list, so that's why I bought it. Anyways, this is what's on the list so far. I feel like I need more sweaters too. I feel like I haven't talked in a while, but I need to do my hair now. You can do it all by yourself. I've actually been listening to music and dancing around, but yeah. So it's like 9 o'clock and I'm really tired and my cramps hurt really bad. So I'm gonna edit a little bit and start getting this footage together. And I will see you guys tomorrow. So it is Friday afternoon and I'm gonna make these sourdough blueberry muffins. I have 2 sourdough starters going right now. If you can see that blue line, it's doubled or tripled in size, so it's ready to bake with. So this is my first time doing a muffin, so I'm super excited. Let's get into it. Just a girl and her muffins. They look kind of weird, guys. I'm a little worried. They might just not be pretty muffins, but as long as they taste good, that's all that matters.
Three, two, one. Arguing again, arguing about something so simple. Make it clear, tell me why you're running back to him. Feeling insecure, feeling like there's more to your character. Every tear that you cry is worth it